Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to attention fragrances that are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research. Try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand Monotheme. Monotheme is an Italian brand. They are very underrated, quite unknown, and I been talking about them for the longest time, but for some reason not many people talk about them. But to my nose, to my experience, this is one of the best value for money you can get in terms of perfumery, because their perfumery is very good, very high quality, and they are very affordable for under £20 in the United Kingdom. I have few of their fragrances and I love each of them. I have few here. Look, this one is Aquamarine, is one of the best. These ones, Black Oud, I have Amber Oud, I have Rose Oud, and for the money, for the what I paid, mamma mia, what a quality and good performance and everything else. Okay, so when I saw the new release, is this one is came out in 2021 or 2, but it's the newest release from them, and this one is called Monotheme, and this is a black label and it's Rouge, Eau de Perfume 100 ml, under 20 quid. So I had to get it and see how it goes. But before I unbox it, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative or valuable, you know what to do. Hit those buttons this way. You help me, you encourage me, you motivate me to make videos like this in future. Thank you very much for your support, and let's go. So as you can see, very pretty box for under £20. Wow. Sorry about the noise. Attention to detail is very good. Look at that, beautiful attention to detail. It's just quality, 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 especially for the price. And the bottle are all the same shape but different coloring. And look at this, 100 ml. It's a classic bottle, quite on the simple side but elegant. The caps are plastic, yeah, plastic caps, and then the atomizer is golden. Here we go, good atomizer. So how is Monotheme Rouge by sorry, Eau de Perfume 100 ml, and here we go. Another Bouquet Rouge inspiration, copy, clone, dupe, whatever you want to call it. Goodness me, why people are so obsessed with Bouquet Rouge? But it smells good and the quality is good. Goodness me, what a quality, beautiful. So they done it again. You know, this brand, as I said before, they, for what I pay for what I get, the ratio is one of the highest. It's an Italian brand, and Italians, you know, they know how to especially make citrus fragrances. They are very, very good at it. But here they are going towards Bouquet Rouge, which is ambery, it's musky, it's powdery, floral, it's a bit of citruses, woody. It's about that burnt caramel smell, and also a little bit of leathery feel to it. So overall, yeah, another Bouquet Rouge inspiration. That's why it's called Rouge. I personally, I'm not a big fan of Bouquet Rouge 540, but I can appreciate when something like this is made. Bouquet Rouge is 300 plus, £300 plus, and this is under £20. So you do the math. It's just this disparity is huge here. But it smells good. Doesn't smell harsh. Doesn't smell chemical. It smells quite natural, which is amazing for this price point. As I said, I have many of their fragrances in my lineup, and each of them is beautiful and perfection. As I said, Italians, they know how to do perfumes, especially towards fresh perfumes, citrus, aquatic, things like that. They do to perfection. Here they gone different direction, and they are doing a fantastic job again. But as I said, I'm not a big fan of Bouquet Rouge. Yeah, that that famous bread smell, or banana smell in here as well. So overall, if you like Bouquet Rouge for under 20 for a good quality, this is for you. Um, Definitely unisex, definitely let's be on a mature 25 and up, definitely for a formal occasion and going out and things like that, because it is quite on the opulent side. But they done a very good job to be inspired by it. So it's not 100% Bouquet Rouge here. The leather is a bit more on top, and the burnt sugar vibe is a little bit toned down. The little bit of citrus in the beginning, and a little bit of floral on top as well. So it looks like they interpreting it instead of just going complete copy, one to one. They just, it's like inspired by it. Okay, but on its own, it smells good, smells fantastic for the price. And if you like this kind of fragrances, this is definitely recommended. And I'll let you know in the next video development, longevity and things like that. But right now, for the first impression, first sniff, Monotheme is done a good job again. 2 thumbs up. Okay guys, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative or valuable, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. If you want to support me by buying one of my own fragrances, they are out of this world. They are super artistic, ultra beast mode, very unique, but you need to live in the United Kingdom in order to purchase them. I leave them in the description as well. Thank you very much, and I see you later. Bye.